Hey guys, it's your girl Lise Black. Yes, I'm still finishing up from the second video, releasing those videos where I had given commentary, and these will not. So this one is Devyn Keith, the news footage where it kind of lays out those allegations. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Until next time, holla!
Well, we're learning more details about the arrest warrants filed against District 1 Huntsville City Council member Devyn Keith. Those warrants list 4 theft incidents at different Walmart stores, totaling $491.13. Keith is charged with 4 misdemeanor counts of theft in the 4th degree. 3 of the 4 warrants date back to last year. On November 14th, the theft of $129.28 is listed from the University Drive Walmart for groceries and other items. November 15th featured a $169.60 theft reported from the Sparkman Drive Walmart for the same types of items. December 28th, $169.58 from the Memorial Parkway Walmart, and on February 2nd, that headphone theft that the council member shared in a social media post last week, totaling $22.67. At last night's city council meeting, Keith gave an apology. However, he did not comment directly about the charges that have been filed against him or his arrest.